few years, Nzema will start buying water. Even to that extent, most people go to their farms with pure water. Am I lying? Now, you can say, but never sounds so. It's not my idea for me. If you continue to destroy the water bodies, destroy all the forests in the Zimmerland, where are you going to plant? Nananum, I am taking your judges one more time. Speak to your people. I will not spare the law. Then making sure. I will make sure that you are Sahiri Noku. Now, you walk. Idea was can't bang out of the vanilla something now. Yaka, if only by a falling man's shit. Again, I don't come out. Again, I die for only by falling shit. You're coming back. Okay. Mammy, you may do my more in Bayer, I cannot get the country. So I hear you here, now also. Mamozo. Enzama, Nara, Abahima, I don't know. I could be here. The new Shimo is Ibala. Oh, my God, is a man, Bravo. And that is here. As well as your mother's man, you be a more, you can form where back for your man's. So if you're Bazu, if you're CMO, if you're Tanzania, if you're near Cow, a robber in my elbow, by him, by him, particular war, Tanga. The prayer, Naya, the prayer, and Naya by him, as well as Babu with what Tanga. You're going to be down. Now, it may not come up with the law. Which is your baby at dawn. Like a home about it, you mentioned maybe the Sarah. Yes, like I'm back for now, why you don't have to look like a coffee. I may be a call, like I am in the camera, which is here in touch. It's a man more than you always put it. We have a lot of work to do. I have given you this position not to love any authority over your people, but to serve them with humility. At any particular call, I want you to attend to them. Pay attention to the youth of the summer. The youth of the summer should be galvanized into a commanding heart. But such can be done only when the newly appointed Safahim, the newly appointed Obahema, and the newly appointed Nana and Ibira. When all these people come together, organize themselves into one together framework. A framework which I see personally, that if it is properly done, they will succeed in creating some other opportunities for the people of the Zimbabwe, particularly the youth. You are the mouthpiece of all the youth of the Zimbabwe. Speak for them, don't be afraid. Wherever you are, speak for Zimbabwe. This is the time for the voices of the Zimbabwe to be heard. It will be pointless if you sit down to be quiet. Then you don't deserve to hold this office. Today, I speak fire into you. I am going to set off you on fire. That particular elemental strength of fire will continue to burn in you. And you will push on. The gazo is a man. I come with the gazo. But you get come with you. You get the most man. Answer it. And if you are more, come on, you can say your sheep. Can I say, I don't be a more, come on, you be a getchy on a bar. How much you get to say? Very far as the 20,000 acres. You are not going to get it. But I'm so bad. Now you can't be like that. I'm not going to design and you be a connection. Now you're never on the matter. Only if you're a muscle. And you do a person of an and you do a person of an and you do a person of an now, and the man be electric the Libyan. They say, Nanyam no body of money as in my year as a cover. Send us and take up for one battery. And Nanyam, ye banko, ye banko, Mamukan, Manam, or Pray. Namida. But he be as a Muslim former war on the floor. Look down, so I'm not going to make you a bed. The Richie Yabo. I don't know so down. They did I hear. Put your leg, Yami Garen. Yami put your leg so. Put your leg, I never go to school. Tell some Capraca man, I don't put your leg, man. Capraca, I'm put your leg if there's no mess this year. Put your leg, I never go to university. Send you a pen and you will tell you, put your leg and a boy. Put your leg, Yami Dam. And you be a more than be a Muslim, the Dirk Machine more. Is the Mapoya and a year we don't do now. I'm a young man in my hand, mother in bed. You don't move. Yami Dam. But I'm still lost with you. Never had you, but never had you once a man now. It's a man such a protein. You pray that the man will continue to rise. This is the moment. Either you all rise together, you unite together, or perish together. Thank you, may God bless you.